In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to safely delete and reinstall WordPress on Hostinger hPanel. We'll start by signing in to your Hostinger account and opening hPanel. Before touching anything, create a full backup of your WordPress site. That means saving both the website files and the database. You can use Hostinger's backup tools or your preferred method, but make sure the backup completes and download a copy to a safe place. This is your safety net in case you need to restore content later. Label the archive clearly with the date so you can recognize it, and if possible, keep an extra copy off the server for safekeeping. With the backup secured, it's time to remove the existing WordPress installation. You have two easy paths. The first is through the website section. Find the site you want to replace, open the three-dot menu next to it, and choose Delete. The second is through Auto Installer. Open Auto Installer, locate the installed WordPress app for the same domain, click the three dots, and choose Delete there. Double check you're selecting the correct website, especially if you manage multiple domains. A warning will appear explaining that deletion permanently removes the site's files and its databases. Read this carefully. Once confirmed, there's no recycle bin. Proceed only when you're absolutely sure the backup is safe and the correct site is selected. Let the process finish. Avoid closing the tab until Hostinger confirms the deletion is complete. Depending on the size of the site, removal can take a little time. After the old site is gone, you can set up a fresh WordPress. Head back to websites and click Add Website or launch Hostinger's WordPress installer directly. Both routes guide you through a clean installation. Using the same domain is perfectly fine. Reinstalling doesn't change your domain settings or hosting plan. During setup, enter your new WordPress admin email, a unique username, and a strong password. Choose credentials you'll remember but never reuse elsewhere. Store them securely and keep the admin email accurate since it's used for important notices and password recovery. Avoid sharing or displaying these details publicly. Finish the installation and give Hostinger a moment to prepare the new site. This may take a short while as the platform configures files and the database behind the scenes. When you see the confirmation, open your website in a new tab. Finally, log into the new WordPress dashboard to confirm everything worked. The login page is typically at your domain followed by /wp-admin. If you can sign in and see the default dashboard, your reinstall is successful. You now have a clean slate. Themes, plugins, and content from the old site are no longer present, which is exactly the goal of a true reinstall.